Today we are going to solve LR 2025 slot 1. So let's see what our question says. A round table has 7 chairs around it. The chairs are numbered 1 through 7 in a clockwise direction. Okay, so there is a round table and the chairs they are numbered in clockwise direction. Now there are 4 friends, let's call them A, B, C, D, sit on 4 of the chairs. In the starting position, A and C are sitting next to each other, okay. While for Bashir as well as Davies, there are empty chairs on either side of the chairs that they are sitting on. So either side the chairs are empty for B and for D. The friends take turns moving either clockwise or counterclockwise from their chair. The friend who has to move in a turn occupies the first empty chair in whichever direction he or she chooses to move. Aslam moves first. So in turn 1, Aslam moves, then B, then C, then D in 2, 3 and 4 turn respectively. Okay. Then again for 5, 6, 7 turn respectively, A, B, C, D move in the same order. Okay. Now, the following information is known. The 4 friends occupy adjacent chairs only at the end of turn 2 and turn 6. Davies occupies chair 2 after turn 1 and chair 4 after turn 5 and Chavi occupies chair 7 after turn 2. Okay. So, हम लोगों को बोला है कि turn 1 में सिर्फ A move करेगा. Okay. And here Davies occupies chair 2 after turn 1. It means starting से Davies chair 2 पर ही बैठा है क्योंकि turn 1 में सिर्फ A move कर रहा है, D की पोजीशन तो सेम ही रहेगी. Okay. So, in the starting, D is sitting chair 2. Okay. And the 4 friends occupy adjacent chairs only at the end of turn 2. ठीक है. Now, अब हमें क्या बोला है, जो छवि है she occupies chair 7 after turn 2. So turn 1 में A move करेगा, turn 2 में B move करेगा. छवि की पोजीशन turn 2 के बाद में वही रहेगी जो स्टार्टिंग से थी. So छवि will be sitting at chair 7 from the starting. अब हमको बोला है कि D के इधर साइड की जगह स्टार्टिंग में empty रहेगी and C and A have to be together next to each other. So if C is sitting here, A will be sitting here क्योंकि यहाँ तो बैठ नहीं सकता, D के आसपास की जगह खाली चाहिए. Now same goes for B, so that means B has only one position. B यहाँ बैठेगा तभी उसके आसपास की जगह खाली रहेगी. Okay, so this is the initial position. अब turn 1. What happens in turn 1? In turn 1, Aslam moves. Okay, now Aslam moves either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and after turn 2, all have to be adjacent. So Aslam should move in a way that after turn 2, that is after B will be moving, they all should come adjacent. Okay. Now, Aslam will come to position 1. D will be sitting here, C is here, and B is here. Okay. Now, B takes turn. Okay. And A is here, D is here, C is here. Okay. And B is here. So, B will move this side after turn 2. Okay. Now, 2 turns are over. Okay. Now, for D, we are given information that it's on chair 4 after turn 5. Okay. Now, so this is after turn 1. Okay. And this is after turn 2. Okay. Now, in turn 3, C will move. and in turn 4 D will move. Okay, so it's given that after turn 5 D will be at chair 4. It means when D was given the chance to take turn, it went where? It went to chair 4. Currently it's on chair 2. Okay, D will move to chair 4. Okay, C will also move somewhere, we don't know. We are first drawing the arrangement for turn 4. Okay, so D has moved and A is here, B is here. Okay, now in turn 6 we want that all should be adjacent. Okay, now let's say that when C was given the chance to take the turn A, D, B, C moved this side. Okay, now turn 3 and turn 4 C was here. Now again for turn 5 A will be moving, and in turn 6 we want everybody to be adjacent again. Okay, now D is here in turn 5, B is here, C is here. Okay, we want A to move such that in turn 6 everybody will be adjacent. Okay, so what can we do? A was here, in turn 5. Okay, we can move A here, C is here. Sorry, for turn 5 A can be here, C is here, B is here, and D is here. Now in turn 6 C is already here, D is here, B can come here, and all will be adjacent. Okay, now let's see what our first question says. What is the number of chair initially occupied by Bashir? So Bashir occupied which chair? Chair number 4. We can see in the initial diagram that Bashir occupied chair number 4. Okay. Who sits on chair number 4 at the end of turn 3? Okay. At the end of turn 3, who sits at chair number 4? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So nobody is sitting at chair 4 at the end of turn 3. So the answer is no one. Okay. Which of the chairs are occupied at the end of turn 6? Okay. Now at the end of turn 6, which chairs are occupied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6, 7 are the chairs that are occupied at the end of turn 6. So option 2 is the answer. Okay. Now, which of the following best describes the friends sitting on the chairs adjacent to the one occupied by Bashir at the end of turn 7? Okay. We made the arrangement till turn 6. Now, at the end of turn 7, what will happen? C will move. Okay. So, at the end of turn, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. At the end of turn 6, what happened? Everybody came adjacent to each other, and this was the position at the end of turn 6. Now, if I draw for turn 7, in turn 7, C will move. Okay. So, let's say C moved here to the first position. C moved here, and D was here, B is here, and D is here. Now, what a question says, um, of the following occupied Bashir at the end of turn 7. Which of the following best describes the friends sitting on chairs adjacent to the one occupied by Bashir at the end of turn 7? What we can say that one seat is empty and one is occupied by D. So my answer will be Devi's only. Okay. Now, okay. I hope you liked my explanation. If you liked my explanation, do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.